So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to enable low power mode or low battery mode on your iPhone. Now this is the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these same instructions can be used for other iPhones. So I'll be showing you two methods. One is in the settings. On the main settings page, go to battery, tap on that, and then you should see low power mode under battery percentage. Just tap on that and that should enable low power mode or low battery mode. Now you can tell it's in low power mode because the battery is yellow. All right. Now the other way you can do this is simply by going to the control center. So scroll down from the top right side of the screen to open the control center, and you should find the low power mode battery. So just tap on the icon and you can see the battery is now yellow, and that means low power mode is enabled. So those are the two ways of enabling the low power mode on your iPhone. Now, in case you don't have the battery icon in your control center, then you can add it. Just go to settings. On the main settings page, go to control center, tap on it, and then under more controls, look for that battery icon. Here it is, low power mode, and then tap on the plus icon to add it to this section. You can see now it's added, and also you can choose where you want to place it in the order of things on the control center. And then now when you go to the control center, you should see the icon has been added. Thanks for watching and good luck.